All right, tonight we are going to work some more on my portfolio app. I actually did this yesterday and recorded um, a video of myself working through this yesterday to get to this point. But yeah, for tonight, let's just see where we are, maybe do a little bit of styling, maybe throw in a route to like a resume page kind of thing. I think I'll start with that actually. Let's just from what I've researched, it seems like routing is one of the main benefits of using Next.js. So let's do that. All right. So from how I understand this, I want to ultimately I want to go up to see here. Let's just say I call this slash resume 404 now because obviously there's nothing there. Now what I want to do is I believe if I just throw in a new file here called resume.js. Okay, so now let's go back over here. Boom, Tucker's resume, it worked. Cool. That is pretty nifty. Here, what do I want to do with this? Give it a background. Main background, I'm partial to be a dark gray. Is that a thing? Nope. Dark gray. That doesn't look very dark gray. No. Okay, that looks pretty good. Sure. Let me see. That's not where I want it though. Or is it just because it's height 100? Is it just not big enough? BH to give it the full width. Yeah, there we go. And now let's get rid of this margin that's on here. I think I can do, well, what is this? Is it margin or padding on something else? It's the body. Okay, so let's just do a globals. I think that's where I want this. Let's do body margin 0. Does that take care of it? Boom, look at that. Now it's all pretty. Okay, now let's give my text color. Yeah. Oh, let's give it, what does white look like? It's all right, I guess. We'll go with that for now. Let's do like an app header here to add links. Right now, just to my resume page. I think that's what I want to do. Yeah. So if I just throw in a div here, app bar, let's call it an app bar. See what we get with that. Beautiful. So let's style this a little bit. App bar, let's give it a class name. Styles dot app bar. And then over here, we're going to go ahead and define that app bar. Let's do a height of 50. Yeah, there we go. That looks pretty good. And then does that mean, yes, it does. So let's do, what if I do 95 and 5? 95. I don't really want to do an overlap on this. I'm going to do a huge disclaimer here and say that CSS will actually probably be another focus for one of my projects in the future, because I'm just not very good at it. And I think this should, yeah, there you go, adds up to 100% width, so I don't have that nasty scroll bar over here. So I am good with that. Let's find a fun color for this background. Background color. And then I like to, what's this look like? Ooh, that's fun. It's verging on the saturated there. So let's do a light purple, maybe? We don't have, lavender. Let's try that. That's a little too light. What's that look like? Ooh, there we go. That's my color. Okay. So now I want to throw some links up here. All right, at bar div. Inside my div, I want to have a link. And I throw an href here to resume, I believe. Was that it? The string in here. Yeah, there we go. Resume. Boom. Cool. Okay. So that's kind of what I want. I don't like the default style here for these. So let's go ahead and give this a class name. Let's do styles.link. Give that a nice link. Styles. There we go. That's better. Okay, so now from here, I just have to figure out how to style this. And I also want this to, I want this to float all the way over here. I want my links over here. So to do that, can I do a flex and at bar? If I do a display flex here, oops, flex, and if I do flex, can I do, I do align items, can I do flex end? Yeah, here we go. Does that flip it over here? Ooh. Flex. Let's just get rid of that for now. Ooh, flex. Okay. What about justify content and got in the middle, command flex mid center. There we go. Okay, so that looks nice. What is that styling that's on there right now? Inspect. So I just need to set the color to always be something. Okay, so color, let's do a blue. Let's just do blue for now so I can see what it looks like. We'll fix those later. For the hover, that's like, I'm calling myself like an average developer here. If I just make this dark blue. So now if I come back over here, hover. Boom, 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 boom. Looks good to me. I mean, it doesn't look good, but yeah, we'll go with that. And the underline, I want to get rid of that. Text decoration, none. Yep, here we go. I do want it underlined when I'm going to click on it though. So boom, boom. Okay, I see that is a link. Cool. I like that. It's a little too small for me, and I don't like it slammed up against the edge there, so let's throw some margins on it. How does that work? Well, if I margin, oh, let's just give it a 5 to 10 X margin. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, okay, cool. So apparently the hover doesn't totally replace this, it just overrides what is in here. So you can kind of learn as we go here. So that's a terrible color. I hate it. So let's do white here. I like that better. You do not like that better. Let's do, what about like a light gray? Nope, don't like that either. What about my background color down here? What's that look like? No. What about just black? How does that look? Oh, there we go. That's okay-ish, I guess. I don't like the dark blue there. Let's do a light gray down here. Light gray. Boom, boom. Ugh, I still don't like that very much, and I don't think this is big enough. What I want it to do is to always be this size. Oh wait, what if I do, hang on. If I do 95, 5, and then do a min height. $50px. Oh, got to get rid of the 95. 5, and then if I inspect, aha, min height, let's make it 45. There we go. Don't like how that looks still. What if I do 20? It just doesn't look good. Font size, let's make it bigger. Font size, large? What's that give me? All right, I think this is starting to drag on a little bit. So in the next video, I'll start working on the content for that resume page. But for now, I think I'm going to call this video right here. I'll see you then. Talk to you guys later.